Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanna walk you through a live gold sale trade I took on XAUUSD because this trade is honestly a really good example of how market structure slowly changes before a bigger move happens. And if you are a beginner trader, pay close attention to this setup because the lesson here is not just about the entry, it is about understanding what the market is trying to tell you before momentum actually arrives. This trade was taken on the 1 minute chart using my Blueberry funded account. My entry was at 4553.33, stop loss was placed at 4559.62, and my take profit was down at 4540.79. So overall roughly around 1:2 risk to reward setup. Just simple market structure and momentum analysis. No indicators. Now the reason I liked this setup was because bullish momentum was clearly starting to slow down. Earlier gold had already pushed upward pretty aggressively, but after that move the candles slowly started becoming weaker, and this is something beginner traders should really learn how to spot. Strong bullish trends usually continue with strong aggressive candles, but here every push upward looked weaker than the previous one. The bullish candles became smaller, slower, and less convincing. Now look carefully near the EMA zone. Price kept reacting around that area and struggling to continue higher properly. That's important because it showed sellers were slowly stepping into the market. Another important detail was the lower highs forming on the chart. Every time price tried pushing higher, it failed earlier than before. And when you combine weaker bullish candles, EMA rejection, and lower highs together, you start getting a pretty clean bearish setup. So technically everything looked solid. The structure and setup made sense. So now let's see if this trade hits stop loss or take profit. Just wait and watch.